Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to remove email address from Snapchat. Before we get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So you cannot remove an email. By that I mean, if you want to remove your current email, you need to place a new email instead of that. Current email you have, which means you need to switch your email. You cannot put your email place empty. Alright, so you need to switch your email, and I'm going to be teaching you how you can do this. First, click on profile picture looking icon at the top left of your screen and click on settings, and over here you can see where it says email option. You want to click on email. Now once you are over here, delete your current email and enter your new email. After entering a new email, click and continue. Once you do that, it's going to ask you to enter the password of your account. Do that, and over here at the bottom it says recent verification email, which means the email which you just entered, Snapchat is going to send a verification to that email. So go to the email to check the verification sent by Snapchat to verify your email. Once you do that, new email will be set on Snapchat. So this is the way how you can do that. So this is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.